Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are going to, we're on the roof right now of a commercial building, and we've been approved to replace a commercial unit, also known as a rooftop unit. It also goes by some initials RTU for rooftop unit, and this is a 4-ton, but we're going to increase it to a 6-ton, so to get more airflow inside the house. So what we have to do here is we have to measure what's called the curb, the roof curb, because the new ones have a different model or a different base. It's a different size. So what that is this here is the roof curb, and what the base is the bottom part of the air conditioning system there. So the new one is going to be, it's going to be a little bit bigger. So what we need to do is the curb adapter, it looks something actually looks exactly like this. This is one that we installed here a couple weeks ago. So that is the curb, the original curb. The curb adapter is fabricated that there to fit, that's the base of the unit, to fit the base of the unit right there. That sits on top of the curb adapter that was made on the original roof curb. So the same thing here, that's the original roof curb. So we have to measure from here to here, and then on this side from here to here, and then we sent that off to the fabrication company, sheet metal people, and they fabricate me a new roof curb for the new system to sit on top. And then it's got all the dividers inside, and they use both the old model number and the new model number, so they can figure out how they're going to divide the airflow and things like that. But call us for our AC, heating, refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. And oh, I'm sorry, the original problem is here, this one here, it's got Freon leaks. It's got a bad blower motor, and it doesn't help that it's 26 years old. So it's done its time, and so they're gonna get a brand new commercial package unit, or also known as a rooftop unit, and they'll be happy customers. Okay, thanks guys, see you on the next video. 512-448-0532. Bye bye.